Having trouble with your wireless mouse on Windows 11? In this video, we'll walk you through 5 effective fixes to get it working smoothly. Let's dive into the solutions. Press Windows plus I to open settings. Click Troubleshoot present in the right pane. Next, click on Other Troubleshooters. Look for Bluetooth, then Run. Follow on-screen instructions and select the right option to complete the troubleshooting process. Restart the PC and try reconnecting the device. This should help solve the problem. If this didn't do the trick, let's proceed to the next solution. On the keyboard, press Windows key and Amp R and type Device Manager, then press Enter. Click on the option which says Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Right-click on the preferred input device of your mouse and click on the option which says Update Driver. On the next screen, click on Search automatically for updated driver software. If this doesn't work, try to uninstall your mouse driver, then plug it again. If this attempt didn't resolve the issue, let's move on to the next solution. Press Windows key, then type Control and hit Enter to open Control Panel. Change the icon category to Small Icons, then click on Power Options. Then from the left window pane, select Choose what the power buttons do. Now click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck Turn on Fast Startup and click on Save Changes. If this solution fell short, it's time to try the next one in line. Bring up the Run window by right-clicking the Start button and selecting its shortcut on the Power User menu. Select the Services tab on the System Configuration window. Click Hide All Microsoft Services to exclude more essential system services. Then deselect the checkboxes for the remaining selected services to disable them. Then click Apply, then restart your PC. If this fix didn't get the job done, let's go ahead and explore the next solution. Press Windows key plus I to open settings. Go to Windows Update on the left bar. Click on Install Updates, then wait. Then restart your computer and check the mouse again. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. If so, please hit like and subscribe.